Good morning, my dear children. Wish you a very happy new year. So, shall we start the lesson? We have discussed how to compare the fractions and writing in ascending and descending order, is it? So, now let us learn how to add the fractions. Okay? So, if it is a like fraction, so first let us learn how to add like fractions. First one, addition of like fractions. This is very simple. So let's take two like fraction, okay? I'll be taking 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7. Here the denominators of both the fractions are same, that is 7. So how to do this? We have to write the denominator as it is. Here the denominator of both the fraction is 7. So I am writing this denominator as 7 itself. Now numerator of the first one is 1 plus numerator of the second fraction is 2. So the answer is very simple. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 7 is the answer. Okay? Understood? I'll be taking one more question. 3 by 5 plus 7 by 5. Okay? What is the denominator? Denominator is 5. Okay? Then 3 plus 7, that is equal to 10 by 5, or you can write it as 2. Okay? If you are writing it as fraction, you can write it as 10 by 5, which is equal to 2. What is the answer? 2 is the answer. So this is very simple. You just add the numerator and write the denominator. Now let us see in the case of unlike fraction, how to add two unlike fractions. Okay? Add 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay? We have taken two fractions, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. As you all know, the denominators are different. Here the denominator is 3 and here the denominator is 5. So they are unlike fractions. Okay? So when you are having two unlike fractions, what you will do? You will be taking the LCM of those denominators. Okay? You will be taking the LCM of the denominators. So what are the denominators here? We have to find out the LCM of 3 and 5. Okay? Here 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So we can write 3 into 5. That is equal to 15 is the LCM here. Okay? Since it is prime numbers, we can directly multiply that. So I got 15. Now we have to find out the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. Equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. So that the denominator must be the LCM. That is, denominator must be 15. Okay. So if you want to get 15 as the denominator here, what I have to do? I have to multiply. Here I have to get 15. Okay, 15 is the LCM. We have done that, comparing the fractions, and in ascending and descending order, the same thing we have done, is it? So 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So the numerator is 2. So I have to multiply the numerator also with 5, is it? Okay. So I have got 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. So the first fraction becomes 10 by 15. This is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. Now the second fraction, 4 by 5. Okay. So 4 by 5 is the fraction. I have to get the denominator 15 here. 5 is the number. I have to get 15, so that I have to multiply it with 3. 5 3s are 15. So if I multiply with 3 in the denominator, the same number I have to multiply in the numerator also. So 4 3s are 12. So the number I have got is 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. So now what we have to do, we have to add the numbers 10 by 15 plus 12 by 15. Okay, this is very simple. How to add two like fractions? Now that it is in the form of like fraction. So I can write the denominator as it is and add the numerators. So I got 10 plus 12 is 22 by 15. So I have got 22 by 15.
So dear students, we will do one more question. We will add three unlike fractions. That is 5 by 6, 2 by 3 and 4 by 9. Here the denominators are different. So they are unlike fractions. The denominators are 6, 3 and 9. Okay. So what is first step? We have to find out the LCM of the denominators. So the LCM of 6, 3 and 9 we have to find out. Okay. So 6 is equal to, you can write as 2 into 3 into 1. Okay. We can prime factorize 3. This is prime factor. So 3 into 1 is 3. And 9 is equal to 3 into 1. Okay. So we have prime factorized 6, 3 and 9. Now the LCM is, we have to see whether there is any common factor for all the three numbers. Yes, there is a common factor for all the three numbers. Here the 3 is there in all the numbers. So we can write 3. And now uncommon factor is 3 and 2. So we got 3 into 3 into 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 into 2 is 18. So the LCM of these three numbers are 18. Okay. Now we got the LCM. So we have to convert each fraction into its equivalent fraction. Okay. So 5 by 6. We have to get 5 by 6 into which number we have to see. That is, we have to get 18. 6 into which number you will be getting 18? 6 3s are 18. So I have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 3. 6 3s are 18. 5 3s are 15. So the first number becomes 15 by 18. That is the equivalent fraction of 5 by 6. Okay. Now the second one, 2 by 3. So here I have to get 18 as the denominator, and now the denominator is 3. So to get the denominator as 18, we have to multiply 3 with 6. 6 3s are 18. So 3 6 are 18. So here I have to multiply the denominator with, I have multiplied the denominator with 6. So have to multiply the numerator also with 6. 6 2s are 12. Now the third, that is 4 by 9. Here 4 by 9, we have to multiply 4 by 9 with another number so that the denominator must be 18. 9 2s are 18. So 4 2s are 8. So 8 by 18 is the answer. So these three are now in the form of like fraction. That is 15 by 18 plus 12 by 18 plus 8 by 18. So this is the number now. Okay. Now it is easy. We have to write the denominator as it is. Now add the numerator. 15 plus 12 plus 8. Okay. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 15, that is equal to 35 by 18. I have got 35 by 18. I can convert this into mixed fraction. How can we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction? We have to divide the number. So if I divide 35 with 18, I'll be getting the quotient as 1. 1 into 18 is 18. So the remainder I am getting is 17. So we have to write in the QRD form. So we have to write the quotient first. So quotient is written as the whole number part and the remainder must be written. Remainder is 17 here. Remainder must be written as the numerator of the fraction part and the denominator must be written as it is. So I'll be getting the answer as 117 by 18. So when we add 5 by 6, 2 by 3 and 4 by 9, we get it as 35 by 18. Since it is in improper fraction, we can convert it into mixed fraction. So that I'll be getting it as 117 by 18. Hope you understood how to add the fractions. Is it clear? Okay, you have to try more questions. Okay. First you have to find out the LCM if it is in the unlike fraction, then convert it into equivalent fraction. So you'll be getting the like fraction, then add the numerators and write the denominator as it is, and if it is in the improper fraction, we can convert it into mixed fraction. Is it clear? Okay, thank you dears.